Hi, I'm Sarita Roche, and today is my birthday. My husband got me these 3 gallons of Flood Floetrol. He knows me so well. So I can't think of anything better than to go make a beautiful mess on my birthday. To start this project, I've got out my favorite Shades of Gray set. It's a set that has 12 different colors of gray. I do have larger versions of all these colors, but today I'm going to use violet gray and blue gray. I want this painting to be a combination of purples, blues, greens, and a little bit of silver. So you can see the violet gray right there on the right, the blue gray right there. Iridescent graphite will be my dark, pearl white will be my light, and I get to use this candle holder that I have always loved. But before I get started, I would just like to dedicate this painting to a friend of mine. Her name is Eva, and her color scheme in her living room is what inspired this painting. So let's just go have some fun. Watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and you can always find me at SaritaLaRoche.com. Keep making a beautiful mess.